Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Papa Bell. Welcome to the channel. We're looking here at the pulse motor rotor. This is a 369 design. This is the 9 magnet rotor design, 40 degrees of separation. As you can see, it's 2 different colors. There is a slight, it's less than a millimeter. It is 0.1 or 0.2 of a millimeter difference in size. The density of this material is more than the density of this material. Even though they're both PLA, this comes from Anycubic, and I believe it's a plus material, PLA plus. This is regular PLA. I don't know how they got mixed together. I guess I just grabbed the wrong spool when I changed mid-print. Mid-print changing is a new thing for me, so I usually have enough on the spool to finish a print. But here we go. I'm going to give it a spin. These bearings fit nicely in the center. They're flange bearings, so I push them in all the way, and the flange catches and makes them nice and plumb. I need to show you something. How easily, look at that.
Wow.
That's a perfectly centered hole in the center. You can't get any better than that. There's one, see what, look at this. There's one in the top, one in the bottom.
Yeah, nice.
All right, so I like to
Nice. Look at that, man.
line it up nice and straight. It's in, and wham. That thing will spin for a little while.
All right, I got a question.
Yeah,
There's these magnet slots.
yeah.
Can you put tiny coils in those?
Yes, you can put coils in those. Let me show you something. Well, I don't have any of them in here. Maybe I'm not sure yet. I think I do actually. And then over there on the side of the table, if you have a shaft that is like that, like a tube, instead of a rod, then you can run the wire
Through the tube.
through the tube. But you're not going to be able to spin the rotor with the coils in it. You can put coils in here, but then whatever is spinning has to be on the outside.
Oh, got it. All right.
But you can have it all go down through the center, underneath, without, and you can have something spin around it without it being. You'll be able to hook up all your wires and stuff without it being in. I don't know how to say it. Without it being in the way, basically.
All right. All right. Nice.
Yeah, I would use the steel ones over there by the Tesla coil. The rods over there. You see them? No, they're on the table.
Right here.
Yeah.
All right.
They're tubes. They're tubes as well.
Nice.
They're like a foot long. So they're made of steel, so they're more sturdy than this aluminum tube, which is, really important when you're dealing with high velocity and speed. Let me get this one out. See, now this, it looks nice, but it's very wobbly.
So it's got more weight in some areas.
Yeah, I wouldn't put any magnets in here.
Okay. You
I'm
want
probably
to
going to end up taking the bearings out too.
can experiment with that thing.
Yeah. I mean, this is 3 successful filament changes. So that's good.
Practice.
Good practice.
And this is paint tape.
Yeah, that's paint tape. Edging tape. This right here is a 13 magnet rotor. And it's virtually got it's got a way different coil configuration than 6 magnet or 12 magnet rotor.
Yeah, check out those videos.
Yeah, definitely check those videos out.
Because they're
well worth watching.
great explanations.
Yeah,
Look
there's
for
a
the
big jolt with this, like
13 rotor. Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, it's very off balance, to put it mildly. And it only uses 4. And the 13 slots, 4 magnets, as equally as possibly separated. There's going to be one that's 3 away, and all the rest are going to be 2.
That's awesome.
And then you get your jolt, because it is awesome. All right. Well, thank you very much. Peace out. Have a good night. Please subscribe.